Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with HashiCorp Vault for app role login, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin authenticating with HashiCorp Vault using the app role login method, you first need to ensure that Vault is installed and running. Next, open your command line interface and set the environment variable for the Vault address. You can do this by typing export vault_addr equals http://127.0.0.1:8200. Now, verify that you can communicate with your Vault server by running the command vault status. If the server is unsealed and you receive a successful message, you are ready to proceed. The next step is to enable the app role authentication method, which you can accomplish with the command vault auth enable app role. Now that app role is enabled, you need to create a new policy for your application. Create a JSON file with the required permissions for your application, for example, apppolicy.hcl. Use the command vault policy write apppolicy.hcl. With your policy created, it's time to set up the app role itself. Use the command vault write auth/app/role/my_role token_policies equals app policy. You may also want to set additional options, such as, once your app role is defined, retrieve the role ID by executing vault read auth/app_role/role/my_role. Take note of the role ID as you will need it for the authentication process. Next, generate a secret ID for the app role using the command vault write auth/app/role/role/my_role/secret ID. The output will include the secret ID, which is crucial for the next steps. With the role ID and secret ID, you can now authenticate to Vault. Use the command vault write auth/app/role/login role_ID equals your_role_ID secret_ID equals your_secret_ID. If successful, you will receive a client token in response. This token can now be used to interact with Vault's APIs and access resources based on your defined policy. To verify that you are authenticated, run the command vault token lookup. This will display details about your token and confirm your access rights. Remember to securely store your role ID and secret ID since they are sensitive credentials. Finally, when you're done with your session, you can revoke the token using Vault Token Revoke. This maintains the security of your Vault environment by ensuring that tokens are not reused. You have now successfully authenticated with HashiCorp Vault using the app role method. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.